Hey Dutch crew and my turtle people, welcome back to the channel, the home of no nonsense barbecue videos. This is a quick video. Today I'm going to show you how to season this. This is a 5mm steel plate, custom laser cut to fit in a Ninja wood-fired oven. We can use this for cooking things like smash burgers and that type of thing on. So let's get on and show you how to season it. We're going to pull the tray out. We're going to use the supplied baking tray and the wire rack. And all we're going to do is place our 5mm laser cut plancha on top of this. Shove the tray back in, shut the door. And now we're going to set the temperature. So we're going to go on to max roast setting, 300 degrees C, that's 572F. And we're going to set about 12 minutes on the timer. Press start and off we go. While this is preheating, we're just going to take some kitchen roll, fold it into an oblong, and now we're going to add some vegetable oil or any oil of your choice with high smoking point. So there's about a teaspoon of oil on there. Okay, the oven's up to temperature now. We're going to pull the tray out. And we're just going to check the temperature of the plancha. So we have a reading of 354 degrees C, that's 670 degrees F. We're going to take a pair of barbecue tongs with our kitchen roll and just wipe this all over the plancha surface. We're going to make sure we get all those edges. You can see it changing colour as the oil's being applied. We're only applying a very thin coat of oil here. Once it's done, we're going to push the tray back in and we're going to start and we're going to run this for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we're going to come back in, a little bit more oil on our kitchen roll, and we're going to put another thin coat onto the plancha surface. Once again, making sure all the edges are done. Push it back in, and then we're going to go for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, back out again, another quick wipe down. So that's 3 coats on the first side. 2 minutes later, pull the tray out, and now we're going to use the barbecue tongs and also a barbecue glove, and we're going to get in there and give this plancha a turn. I will say that these planchas weigh about 2 kilos a piece. So we're going to go in, quick turn. These barbecue gloves can just about take this temperature. And once we've turned it, we're going to get our kitchen roll again. We've applied a little bit more oil. And we're going to cover this side as well. Another thin coat. So remembering to do the edges yet again. Get the tray back in and we're going to go for another 2 minutes. We're going to repeat this process 2 more times. So we've had 3 coats on this side as well. You can actually see it changing colour. Last coat. Back in for a further 2 minutes. And once this is complete, we're going to turn this machine off. I'll just show you the colour of the plate that's changed colour now. This is well on the way to being seasoned. I'm going to push it back in, shut the door, and we're going to let this machine cool down. So there we have it, folks. That's how to season the brand new custom laser cut 5mm steel plate that fits in the Ninja wood-fired oven.